Now we get to the most important things which grass alters, and through alteration, enhances. These things are three. The holy three. And they are eating food, listening to music, and making love, you dig?
Eating food.
Eating becomes a joy unbounded. All food tastes far out. If you open a box or bag of stuff like Abba Zaba bars or dried figs or something, you'll start eating and eating until someone happens along and pulls the bag or box out of your hand.
Hey.
At which point you might dash to the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
And start eating lettuce and leftover pieces of fried squash.
I looked in the refrigerator.